Is reverse discrimination at workplace illegal in California? In some cases it is, and in some cases it isn't. Here are two examples to illustrate the difference between when reverse discrimination may be unlawful versus when it's perfectly legal. When it comes to age discrimination, reverse discrimination is not illegal. This means that if you're an employee who is under 40 and your employer treats someone who is older better, maybe they get a promotion that you should have gotten. Maybe they get increase in compensation that you should have gotten. Maybe you're even being replaced with an older worker. In that type of case, if you're under 40 years old, you cannot have an age discrimination case as a matter of law, because people who are under 40, they're not considered a protected class under the law. On the other hand, when it comes to racial discrimination or religious discrimination or national origin discrimination, reverse discrimination would be illegal. This means that if you are, let's say, a white male and you're able to prove that your employer treats minorities, people who are traditionally considered ethnic or religious minorities better, then you will have a case under the law, because the law says that all ethnicities, all religions are protected the same way. And just because certain groups of people have been traditionally considered minorities, it doesn't give them any more or less protection than the so-called Caucasian people or Caucasian male employees. And the reason I'm bringing this example right now is because lately I've been receiving a surprisingly large number of inquiries from white employees, white male employees, who feel like they're being targeted or they're being pushed out and replaced with members of ethnic minorities, religious minorities, just because their employer is trying to fill in the quota and just because their employer is trying to show to everyone how diverse they are, and they're pushing diversity to the limit. So unless that employer is subject to some kind of affirmative action or some type of other legislation where they're required to do whatever they're doing when it comes to diversity, otherwise it would be just as illegal to discriminate against a white employee, a white male employee, as it would be against a black employee, Asian employee, or employee of any other race or religion. Thank you.